So we'll go on record. I want this to work. Why it doesn't work? Huh? Ah. World context object. Get all actors of class. We need a world context object for this to work, don't we? They're called maps. Alcohol is super expensive in Ireland due to stupid law set minimum alcohol price, and the companions pocketed it and increased their price. The government is dog shite. Well, we're in the same boat there. We're in the same boat there. Except for our government hasn't increased the taxes on alcohol yet. It's only a matter of time, really. To be fair, who even drinks alcohol anymore? It's pretty cringe, bro. Not gonna lie. Welcome to government monopoly on some areas of business chatting. True. Or possibly not true, depending on your opinion. This is the level sequence editor. I don't need that. In Belgium, gacha games like Genshin are banned because the local governments hold the rights to gambling and they don't want people to allow money to spend money in there. Ireland's politicians all being landlords causing a house crisis. Government fuckery. Wow. Wow. Chat. You gotta. Wow. Why doesn't this work, kids? Mm. 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 It's not working because you don't have a waffle line. God damn it. Honestly, sounds like a positive. No loot box is true. Oh, imagine legally not being allowed to play Overwatch. Oh wow, what a blessing! What a fucking blessing! That needs a knot, that's why. I'm an idiot. I'm an idiot. I'm an idiot. I'm an idiot. Scooby doo doo. Yeah, but the kind of people who want to play gacha games aren't the same kind of people who want to go to a casino. You know, you can get my shindigs, get my understanding of the situation. So there should be an actor here, an empty actor, which I can't click on because it has 0 mass. Oh, for fuck's sake. Fuck's sake. Right. So we'll try this again. We clear it. We click the purge button, it's still there. Casino is a not healthy place to spend a lot of time in. It's true. It's true. It's very true. Why doesn't this work? Especially ones that allow smoking. Back in my day. The guys that founded Wizards of the Coast regret the card pack due to what loot boxes become. But, I mean, they should have thought of that before they invented the business model of random chance box openings, you know? Just saying. Just saying. World context object. Get loaded level. Get level streaming. So level streaming object reference. Pokemon is promoting gambling to kids. Wow, only the card game. Want to play TCG without doing the lottery, get a decent deck, put me off playing them. True. True. Event graph. Add a custom event. Delete stragglers. Bot. Scott up. Error. Create variable SMA. Create variable SMAs to remove. Compile. Oh, that's a handy feature. Pokemon Go's just trying to kill people by putting ultra rare Pokemon in the middle of traffic. You don't have to touch the Pokemon to get them. I'm pretty sure you can get the ultra rare Pokemon like from the sidewalk. I'm just saying. So this should now work. Static mesh. Meshla. What's our static mesh gonna be? Goob. A Kooby Booby. So now, if I drag this into the scene, yeah. Help me delete. And I click the delete stragglers. I'm sorry, did I? People play it while driving. Actually, Reno. Actually, Reno. Why doesn't this work? So we're only getting static mesh actors. So we actually, we don't need that. Just that. But it's not even getting here, right? Oi, 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 oi. Oh, it worked. It didn't print anything out, but it worked. 2 polysurface 4134 has been deleted. Hold on. But what deleted it, huh? 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 Not that. That works. That actually works. Oh my goodness, right. I'm so confused. Did I ask you to load the animation playground? Everything exploding. Don't. We had over 500 empty static mesh actors. Please consider your life choices. Over 500 static mesh actors with nothing in them. Ugh. Fire. So help me delete works perfectly, apparently. Except for this bit, which doesn't do anything, apparently. Also, apparently. Yeah, so I guess the only thing it has to do after that is clean itself up. Did I finish cleaning my desk? Reno, we don't talk about that. I'm going to leave that as a button, though. So now it deletes itself as well. Or do I even have selected engine? Let's put the widget there, as if it has selected something, but there is nothing selected. Beautiful. That is absolutely fantastic. Is that not fantastic, kids? Is that not beautiful, fantastic? And also, yeah, I got all my power supply stuff. I don't know. There's a stain on the back of my PS4 now. Oh, Bubby. Oh, what did they do to you? Oh, you're all scuffed. Ew. So I got all my consoles stacked up now. Proper. Except for the PS1 and my old PS2. They're over in the corner. The corner of shame. Beauty fantastic. Yeah. Yeah, what the hell? It's doing it again. Are the vines duplicated though? They are, yeah, okay. So huh? There's two lots of them. Oh. Uh-oh. Why? Mushroom. Lovely. We all know exactly what all of that is. Yeah, of course. Hmm. I'm just gonna get rid of them, all of them, because we already have our rose model, and I feel like maybe we need a simplified rose model as well. Watch this kill my PC. Woke up less than an hour ago. Today's already kicking your butt. Me too, Rita. Me too. So then we have some abstract leaf piles here. Now, forgive me if I'm wrong, but these all look identical, right? Oh, I am wrong. We got flat leaves and curly leaves, okay. Mana's trying, but the real handsome one in the room is you. The handsome Dr. Berlin. That's right. It was really weird yesterday. Everyone kept saying my nails looked really nice. It's really, I keep thinking about it. Like I don't mind it, but it was just a bit weird. Clayman, you gotta hop off the lurk, on the lurk, and off the PC. Well, thank you for the lurk. I hope you enjoy not being on your PC. A death sentence to some. Not a doctor of anything, though. Isn't it odd? Did I get the waffle iron? Not yet. Christmas Day has not yet brought itself to pass. Interesting. So we have a pile of leaves. And then we have a second subsidiary pile of leaves. Are they actually flat? Are they actually flat though? They are flat, but they're one-sided. Are they flat? They look flat enough. Are they flat? No, they're not flat. Well, they're bumped. They're planar. That's what I'm trying to describe. Isn't it odd getting compliments? Getting complaints? Compliments. But like about my nails, like it's a bit of a weird one. I say I don't mind it. It's just a little bit of a weird one, you know? Are these all the same? Are these all the same? See, I'm down for instancing 1,000 leaves to make an actual pile of leaves, but oh no. I just want to be sure. I just want us to be all on the same page when we do this. So there seems to be 3 types of leaf, right? We've got this large spear-shaped leaf. We've got this small spear-shaped leaf. And we've got these what appear to be oak leaves. Somewhat oaky leaf. And there is an individual leaf right there that I've somehow selected. Oh wait, no, they're different piles, aren't they? Leafus. Leafus Beliefus. See, that makes me worried about the leaf. That makes that exact formation of line. Leaf. Do you ever just have laundry to do, like, all the time? Have you all finished your Christmas shopping? Has Christmas shopping been finished? No. What about me? Yeah. Waffle maker. Waffle maker supreme. They all have it. They all have it. I don't mind a cheeky little bend to make it seem more 3D. But this... You haven't started Xmas shopping, Peepo Shake? Peepo Shake! So... This might be extraordinarily rude of me. But I'm gonna delete all of the leaves. And I say this with the heaviest of hearts. That I think theoretically you have no money, so you'll probably just make cards. That's fine, Rena. Having money is, you know, a temporary condition. Alleviated by making large purchases. I've been thinking about putting something on my throne. Cause you can do a group thing. You could do a group donate. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to delete all of the leaves. And we'll remake the leaves. We'll remake the leaves. So typically in a game context, you'll have leaves or leaf clusters. They'll be represented simply with the plane, with the texture on it, and I think maybe doing a transparent, translucent, masked, or opacity something. It's going to be easier than... I mean, I like the shape of the leaves. I just think that representing them as meshes. Clara's been showing her throne. Sliver made her get one. And you didn't ask for an invite code? I told you I have invite codes to throw. I used to have invite codes. I don't know if they've just opened it up now. If she's got one, it's fine. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. You want to see my throne? It's just dumb card game stuff right now. It's the stupidest shit. I got a check mark though. Got a check mark. Snacks! You came just in time to see my throne wish list. That everything is ridiculously expensive, I know. Why are they so expensive? Oh, no, don't buy it. No. How you feeling, Snacks, by the way? Claire didn't even remember I was the one who told her to get one. The rudeness! My throne list. Don't. I mean, you know, if there's something you know I want, or if there's something that you know I need, you can always just suggest a gift on them. You don't have to buy a gift. You can just suggest a gift. But it's a shame that you're a little snake. You're at work. Hang on a second. That's not right. That's not right. At work. Sick at work. No dealie. No one else is here, so you can't get anyone sick. Oh, well, that's fine. That's fine. Isn't that just fine? Sharing is caring? No. No. So we delete the assets, which leaves us with a bunch of broken actors in the stream who have a broken asset reference to an asset that no longer exists. Witness me. 556 actors once elected. But if we go to our tools folder, nope. If we go to our testing folder, nope. If we go to our asset tools folder and I drag in a help me delete cube, and then I go to the details panel of the help me delete cube. How's your favorite VTuber? I'm getting there. I always wake up late and I always have laundry to do, so I'm always late to my streams and it makes me sad. But just like that, we delete 500 actors, 250 actors. Bosh. You know, my hand doesn't hurt anymore. So whatever was going on with my thumb and my middle finger, fixed. Does that also mean you don't have to have headphones in? Yeah. Oh, wow. Broadcasting this sonorous voice to the 4 walls. 5 walls? Pentagonal suite. Well, it's good that you're here. It's good to have you here. As you well know, I'm just bimbling around making a game. So the next thing we need to do is change the pivot point of all these asses. Not that one. We're never going to use that one, unfortunately. I really wish I could, like, do multi-buys on this. Like, if you could just leave me in the pivot tool, that'd be great. Starry Night, welcome back. I hope you're doing well. How's the head? What am I doing here? Well, I'm just editing these assets that I've been given by the lovely Balint project manager, IP holder, executive producer, doctor, and actual scientist. I can go on. Much better today. How am I? Yeah, my hand's fine. My game development is on, and we're ready. We're rolling. So I'm making a game snacks as well. You know, I'm making 2 games technically, but this one specifically takes precedent. Oh, we didn't do the shroom. As it's, you know, a collaborative effort. It has a direction and it has a sense of existence beyond, you know, me just going, ooh, that's cool. Ooh, that's cool. Like, for hours on end, not actually doing any work. But we've been provided with a whole bunch of assets to use by the lovely Balint that give the game its aesthetic. And I figure it would be a waste and a shame and a travesty. In fact, we can start doing the shoutouts now. There is the one who we speak of. So they have a book out or coming out or out. I think it's out. I think it came out. A kid's book about ants to help kids learn about ants and DNA. I'm guessing. I hope, if I remember correctly. And this is a tying game. There's direction. You thought this was a rambling stream? Yeah, we just talk about politics until we go on live on air, and then we have to, like, actually do work. A true shame, I know, but hey, c'est la vie. Anyway, this is a tie-in game, so I figured keeping the aesthetic as close as possible while, you know, tweaking it here and there to keep it maybe a little bit more scientifically on the road. Scientifically on the road? I don't know. I don't know if that's a real thing, if I can say that, but, you know. I can do research too. I'm not a baby. But I found out that leafcutter ants, they live in very exotic areas of the world, so we can at least make it in a beautiful area. Not that you'd see that, because most of it's going to be on the ground, right? You keep doing... You're going to keep mega chatting. Oh god. Black Dragon's going to mega chat. Hit the dirt! But yeah, the other game is a cool RPG game. About a little demon buddy. Oh, Reno's got the strong kappa going on. Strong kappa. Anyway, so today we're doing some meshes. So we just done the leaf room, and I realize there anything in these. I delete all this. Good. Yeah, it's all gone. Mistyping some words. What disorder would it be? Lol. Brain. It's called doing a brain. Please just save the assets. Anyway, So we have the leaf room, the fungus and antechamber, the flask and the bubbles. This, I don't know what we're going to do with this, but we are obviously going to have to do something with it because we have bubbles, we have particle effects. This is actually horrendously hard to render, so I'm going to have to zhuzh this up a little bit as well. No brain disorder. ADHD, oh no. Are there grounds in this? Got the throne room, the dining room. You got a whole bunch of assets, like the fungoid, the grapes. I might make the furthest lod. Am I okay? Yeah, I'm fine. It's just, it felt a bit weird when I was drinking my coffee. And now it's cold now, so I don't want to drink anymore. The mana zhuzh. That's right, Snacks. By the way, these shoutouts, by the way, I wish there was a thing that showed me. You should all go follow Snacks. And also, you should all remember that Snacks' name begins with an A, not an S. Snacks is a lovely streamer from the San Francisco Bay Area. Sorry, that joke won't get old for me, sorry. Depth nest pieces. Oh yeah, platforms and stuff. Throne base. Oh yeah, god no, don't touch those. Snack time, that's right, Snacks. Get followed. Stairs pieces that we will never need. Ah, we might need these, because I think I scuffed the assembly of that. And candelabra, chandelubra. I can show you that, actually. It's beautiful. It's already set up in this tiny demo room that we use for the screenshots for the Twitter page, because nothing is built. Please, please. They demand screenshots of me every day, and I tell them, okay. But I don't tell them, you know, it takes ages to make something like this. Man, I'm trying to dox you without knowing where you actually live. You don't live in Frisco? Nobody lives in Frisco. That's the joke. That's right, you're down the hill from you. Reno, don't. Reno, stop. Reno, stop it. I don't know where anyone lives. Actually, that's a lie. But we don't talk about that. I know where I live. I hope I know where I live. True kickstart photography. See, they brag about Lumen having better GI, and the green splash under the table from the flood lamp out the back there is great, but there's very little bounce off the walls on these laddos, you know what I mean? I think it's just, maybe it's because there's a dark material. Mana doesn't know where he lives? Noted. God damn it. If I open the door and I'm in San Francisco again, day ruined. All those trams, all those weird hills, everyone that lives in San Francisco actually lives in Oakland. It's like the London situation where nobody actually lives in London. They just live around London, and every building inside London is just a job. Job. Right, yeah, so things on our list of things to do. Reno's gonna get a knock on the door. It's Mana. Oh no. Things on the list of things to do. We have to build a castle, okay? This model here, as beautiful as it is, it's not enough. Like, there's so much stuff that has to go into this thing. There's so much stuff that has to go into this thing. This thing has a throne room in it, right? And we have a separate throne room in the nest. I can't deal with that. That's a level beyond what I can deal with, I'm afraid. I don't know why this is marble. This is not meant to be marble, but okay. There's the queen ant. Can I have a look at the queen ant for a moment while we talk you through the invent photography with NFT and blockchain? Yes, exactly. It's really funny. My friend sent me a Web 3.0 investment intern application meme, and I was Web 3.0. Be awesome and bust out your decks and dice. Oh god. And like I was like, lol, this is funny. And then I saw a tweet from IBM that was basically the exact same thing as the meme, and I was like, oh god, please don't, no, please. It was so funny. I died laughing. This is actually Mana 2. Android replacement for Mana 1, the streamer. I have no memories of the last 24 hours. Anyway, Aswets. Chandelier Aswets. Candle, 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 candle. You're here for that Mana ambience. You're not well versed with dev or anything, web or anything. Okay, so I have to explain this to you next because it's very important to understand what Web 3.0 is, so you can get angry about it and tell people not to use it. Web 3.0, so Web 1, the first incarnation of the internet back in the way back when in the late 60s, was invented as a military communications network for long distance but high fidelity communications that were hard to intercept. Like long range radio was easy to intercept and you had to speak in code all the time. And then they were like, oh, why don't we use this for data sharing as well? And then they were like, oh, why don't we use this for public data sharing? Why can't everyone just use this? And then they had the renaissance of the Web 2.0, the HTTP things, the things in the, what was it, the 80s? Was it the 80s? We look it up. We look it up when Web 2.0 came out. Air quotes came out, right? But Web 3.0, participative or participatory web or social web, refers to websites that emphasize user-generated content, ease of use, participatory, culture, interoperability. So yeah, Web 2.0 was a development craze in the 90s and early thousands, I guess up to the present day, really. The soothing sounds of dial-up, where people would make website as you know it to the day. And Web 3.0 is the idea of kind of making the internet, like any part of data on the internet, unique. So right now, right, you can access Wikipedia page, right? Everyone can access the same Wikipedia page, right? The data can be distributed generically, right? All the data on that page is generic, right? You can download an MP3 file 1,000 times, 1,000,000 times, 1,000,000,000 times, Brazilian times from wherever you download MP3 files from this date, legally. 7 digital, maybe. I don't know why you'd pay that much money to get an MP3 of 7 digital, but maybe a FLAC file then, maybe a FLAC file. But you see my point, right? The data in and of itself is duplicatable, repeatable, and, you know, ostensibly clonable across all devices. And Web 3.0 is a direction of development led by crypto bros who want to itemize and tokenize every part of information that can be traded on the internet so that they can use it in the kind of context of, like, you know how, like, you make a painting, like Leonardo da Vinci, he makes one painting, he makes painting, and people are like, I buy painting, and there's one painting that he's made that he sold to that one guy, right? And they want to do that with digital contents, whereas it's logically incompatible, because if you have a PNG and you copy all of the RGBA values of the PNG to a new PNG file, it's the same PNG file, right? The NFT thing is such a scam. I don't think the NFT thing is such a scam per se, but the way it's used, the way it's explained, and the actual fundamental physicality of it, without being understood by people who deal with it, is pretty much a scam. So I don't really have any problem, malpractice. So I don't really have any problem with people wanting to create unique, individualized things, right? And sell them at a price that they set to people who want to buy them. That's entirely fine. But the idea is that most people who deal with digital art want to sell their digital art multiple times. Technically, NFT is good, the technology is good, but NFT is used to scam people. Yeah, exactly. Exactly as Miyamo Rui said. We need to give them a... That's what you meant. Yeah. Because people are like... People who engage in making art for NFTs, a large swathe of them are unskilled artists. And I want to say that like with the largest margin of like what a skilled artist could be error as possible. Like it's a very low tier, low effort kind of set of art that is usually uploaded to NFTs. Not always. I've seen some very, very cool, talented artists making NFTs on Twitter, don't worry. You know, lots of line work, lots of sculpture, lots of all this, all that. But usually there's a low effort, you know, there'll be like palette swap stuff, you know, a hat drawn on top of the same cookie cutter image, you know what I mean? The monkey is the biggest and best example of the low effort, low tier NFT art scams. You had one not of your digital art pieces. Yeah. But the other thing is, like, when you buy an NFT, specifically, images are quite data-rich objects, right? There's a lot of data to encode in a picture. And the blockchain doesn't really deal with high bandwidth data. It deals with basically transaction details. So what you get when you buy an NFT of an art is not the art, it's the purchase receipt for the art, right? So you've bought the art, sure, okay. You get to look at the art and admire the art, and you get to show people the receipt saying that you paid for the art, which is great, but physically, specifically and categorically, you do not own the actual art, right? The artist has not sent you the only surviving thumb drive with that art on it as a PNG, or as a PSD, or as a KRA, whatever file format it was saved in, I don't care. They have not sent you that. They've sent you a receipt saying, congratulations, thank you for buying my art. Which is also fine, as long as you understand that, right? As long as you have a grip of what the situation is. Totally fine. Everything is fine if you understand the situation, right? Well, no, that's not quite true, but you know what I mean. But the other thing is, NFT art, or the NFT blockchain users, are using deceptive means by which to artificially inflate the perceived value of their art, like purchasing their own art off themselves for millions of dollars, etc., etc. You need to find and make some digital drawings. People are using the blockchain to sell art that they have copy-pasted from DeviantArt or other art websites, which is illegal, by the way. Just if you did not already know, stealing something and then selling it as if it was your own product is illegal. Wow. And there are people who are, what was the other NFT scam? Again, people selling things to people who don't fully understand the ramifications of what an NFT is, etc. Anyway, assets for the video game. What is this and what is this and what is this and what is this? You have artist friends that have had their art stolen. Yeah, it sucks, doesn't it? Now, thanks to AI, every digital art has no value. Pog. I mean, true, to a certain extent. Told Claire to show it, but your account got weird. You posted, you need to get back. Okay, do that. You ever sold your art for more than $20 for a scene with 4 full body characters? Reno. That's you're gonna price out the competition like that, man. Wow. Reno, no. Exactly, Reno. You've had art stolen, Reno. Oh my god, you gotta price up. Never thought to sold whatever you made. Oh. Actually, I had a picture from someone who bought one of my, what do you call them? Sculpture? Sculpture? He had it with him. He was enjoying it. And I'm happy that he was enjoying it. Took a long time to make that, did. So, yeah, what's this? What's this? Oh, that's the whole thing. Right, okay. What's this? Huh? We have Ant Mountain files. Oh my goodness. Ant Mountain files. Forgot about these. These little boys. They look a bit comedy when you put them in context of like a regular room though, don't they? But yeah, that's why you shouldn't be into Web 3.0. Because its ideologies don't line up with literally anything. Anything good, at least. It's mostly done. The lovely plants, they exist. Anyway, Reno doesn't do social media. Aw, man. So I think we can import another folder of good mesh goodness, because there is a little bit more. I think there's a little bit. Oh, here we go. For people who were wondering, here's the main character from the RPG. I want to see. Here's the main character from the RPG. Most of the Arts on Clever stream is Reno's. There you go. Here's a horrible painting of the main character from the RPG. I can't draw. So cute. Thank you. Sorry. I tried my hardest to make it very cute. Here's a little lizard that I drew for. Well, I didn't draw it, but made it for Tim Remers's birthday. It's Tim Remers's birthday. We did lizards for him. I don't know what this is. Oh, it's a palette. Nice PNG. A tiny little AK for tiny little hands. Speaking of tiny little hands, why is there just a meme in here? Why is there just a meme in here? You joined my Discord? Well, welcome to my Discord. We don't do nothing around there, but you find to, I don't know, post stuff, read stuff that is posted by other people, share GBX files for Trackmania. Leaf and Princess Room. Did I do that? I did Leaf Room. Leaf Room's there. We did not do Princess Room though, so this is the good stuff. Bang Discord. I have a Discord, yeah. Did it not bang Discord? There's a button underneath. Sorry. Do I not have a bang for that? Leaf and Princess. FBX. Tunnel 1. Princess Room. Without tunnel.fbx. And we just drag that in. Please, anyone share the link? Oi, oi, oi. I will share the link. Copy link. You go. Sorry about that. I should probably condense it into like a socials bang or something. Speaking of tiny hands, I can't type. I can't. There you go. I'm gonna check out Clayman Dev. A dev made of clay. Import textures local. Do not create material. Import. Now we wait. The beautiful waiting game of the Unreal Engine. Or any game engine, really, if you're importing a bunch of crap. This Clayman is working on a very cool looking, fun looking superhero game. It's very cool. And the lava area is very hot. Oh no, 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 no. So, what's new with you all? What's happening in the world, out there? What's going on? Because this is apparently going to take ages. Maybe while it's importing, we can go back to the old store, the old marketplace, Aroni. Get our browse back on. Oh yeah. We gotta thank Danaeus again for the follow again for yesterday because we didn't record anything. But thank you, Danaeus, for the follow. Welcome to the channel. Hope you enjoy it. And thank you, Embus, again for the 2 gifted subs. You are seen, witnessed, reported. The Unreal Engine launcher, however, is not seen. You need a full body pic of me to do fan art. I'm assuming you mean the tuba, the big old potato visage, and not an actual photograph of me. I'm trying to think if there was like the tuba. I'm trying to think if there is one just floating around. I don't think there is though. I have them in this folder, in fact. And when I say this folder, I mean the folder that I had literally just closed, apparently. I have a whole bunch of weirdo reference pictures. The caption is my feel when I have to redo a boss 18 times.png. And of course, press X to doubt. And there's a Pepe Christmas. I don't know why. But they are here. How big is that? Is that a big file? Just show me. 0.72 megabytes. It's nothing. I will put them in the art sub Discord of my Discord. The art channel. Yes. People keep asking for them. Also, this is scary I've labeled this .c and it knows. It knows. Is that a Visual Studio thing? And let me guess. Let me guess. Oh wow. Oh wow. Oh wow. Oh wow. Oh wow. Whoa. Wow. Whoa. Whoa. You didn't draw all that, did you? No. No way. No. What the hell? That's so good. Oh wow. That's, oh my, he's eating it. The 3 spiders. Is that Spider-Gwen at the back? Yeah. Don't say yeah like that was nothing. Oh my god. Oh my god. So good. That's good. Snacks, you were hiding this kind of power from us the whole time. Snacks is way more talented than you. I think Snacks is way more talented than anyone right here, right now. Like, what can I do? Oh my god. Do I even have... I'm pretty sure I tried to draw my face. Not my face, but my tuba. Where is it? Is it in the E? Stream materials? Emotes? I was dedicated to making entirely my own emotes. Dedicated. Here we go. Melty Dono. It's beautiful. Chat. Here it is. It's gonna open Krita though. Oops. We people are legendary. I think this whole chat, there's far too much talent in this whole chat. We gotta take it back a notch. We need some people with no skills to join the chat. Make us feel, you know, better. I'm kidding. I'm kidding. Remember what Einstein said? Remember what Einstein said? You don't bully the goldfish for not being good at particle physics. Because the goldfish doesn't bully you for being bad at being a goldfish. Struggling in getting my Discord. Thick thighs save lives. Einstein, exactly. Has anyone noticed how much Jern's art has improved since doing all those flag arts? Where we go to copy paste, you click the link. You click the link. It should have... What? In Discord? No, you click the link and it opens the Discord app. Mobile is difficult. It should just open the Discord app. It should just open the Discord app. I will repost the link. You tried 5 times. Oh my god. Right. Next time, Starry. Maybe... this document has vector text created in Krita 4.x. When you save the document, the text object will be converted to a Krita 5 format. No longer be compatible with Krita 4x. Good job I don't use Krita 4x anymore. Good job I updated the... Seems to disappear. May have to accept the invite a few times. You keep trying. If it's a problem, Starry, I have absolutely no idea how to help. I'm sorry. I'm not... You've seen my Discord. Can I hide member list, pin, notification, threads, inbox, help, invite people... I'm sure I'll be fine. But yeah, this was my attempt at drawing me, so I'm sure anyone could do better than that. Got the good twist on the horns now. I'm very proud about the horn twist. Because it's a twisty. A little twisty. Some stuff missing here? Oh, the other right hand. Like an actual punch. Oi, oi, oi. Krita is so slow sometimes, but I think it's because I'm importing shit. angry tuber. It was meant to be a thumbs up emote. And I drew the hands, like, with no fingies. Extra cuteness, no fingies, just the thumb. And it looked like I was wearing boxing gloves. So I was like, oh, well, if it looks like I'm wearing boxing, it became anger, yeah. Like everything on my streams, it became anger. Oh my. This is going to take a while, isn't it? So I really like these candles, but I don't know. They're freestanding. I don't think we're going to have a chance to use something like that. Angry burps. That's the one. Basic pickups VFX. Nice. How angry is Balint gonna be if I sneak a howitzer into the game? I'm not gonna, but theoretically, like if I just slapped an Abrams tank just down the beach, is that like a critical no-no? Just a reminder of the timeline green. 50 minutes. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. It's got to finish importing all the stuff before I leave. And I've got to finish browsing the asset store before it finishes importing all the stuff. So, yeah, as they say in France, my hands are tied. But I am hyper aware of the time. Because I have laundry to hang out, and I have nowhere to hang it. So I'm going to be gone for like 12 or 15 minutes when I go. So really it needs to finish importing like right now. Except in French. Terraform Pro, download. Wee. Do you know they force English people at gunpoint to learn French or German for 5 years in this school economy, okay? 5 years learning a foreign language. You'd think would be long enough to gain, like, basically, fluency, if not full mastery of the language. 5 years, a long time, man. 5 years, such a long time. And then if you take it at A-level, that's 7 years learning French or German. You should be a goddamn master at the language by that point. And the British force everyone. Yeah, and then they force you to learn English too. Oh my god. Oh my, they force you at gunpoint to learn both French and English. Took German twice at high school, you don't remember most of it? Ah, German. You should ask Bardaki for some tutoring. I'm sure he'd help you. He'd teach you all of the bad German words. I don't know a lot of German. Oh, I'm cringing. I'm having memories. I'm cringing. I'm having memories and I'm cringing at them. Oh. Guten Morgen. That is a word. That is a word. I think my favorite German word is Flugzeug. Yeah. Flugzeug. Das Boot. What does it mean? It means aeroplane. Bardaki's gonna roast me for my spelling if I try and type it. You know how to say I love to dance in the washing machine, but you can't spell it. You know, I took Swedish on Duolingo for about 3 years. I don't know why. I mean, I do know why. It's because at the time, like, I was heavily invested in Beck. You like submarines? Duolingo is good to learn vocab, but not so much grammar and all that. Duolingo isn't really good for anything these days. You should drop Duolingo. Like a hot potato. Hot potato. Yeah, not anymore. Duolingo is a hot mess. I mean, it's understandable how it became a hot mess, but it just goes to show that the people developing Duolingo didn't set out with the right intentions in mind. You know what I mean? You know, education. They redid the layout. It's not so much that they redid the layout, it's that they redid the progression methods. So when you do a lesson on Duolingo, you get a certain amount of XP. Cambly is also a thing in the UK or US. I don't know what Cambly is. So evidently not, but I don't know a lot of things, so it could still be. 52 assets 7. It's a US thing, you believe? What is Cambly? I'm gonna have to go very soon and get a new drink and prepare for neon green. But all of our assets seem to have, oh my goodness. It's a lot of pink. It's a lot of pink, kids. Oh, that's a lot of tiny little shards of mesh. I worry. I'm gonna scream. ZBrush is a devil. People teach via webcam. Oh, that's nice. Oh, we got little toys. Oh, we got little plushy ants. I never even noticed. They're so cute. They're so adorable. So much pastel. That's not quite pastel. I think it's quite bright. It's quite a bright pink. Bright snacks. Right. So it's time. I guess I'm back. I guess this is just how it's going to be. The shop closes at 10. So if I cut this stream like short and just dash out the front door, I might be able to get there. Might be able to get some chicken or something. Yeah. Okay. So. Okay. This photo oboe 52942 Pozitsky cover plenemi vektorni textury legko redaktirov zakaspostorov ruzi. I have skepticisms about how legitimate it would be to use that file. And I would wish for some forgiveness if I am reserved in not using it. Maybe in the final, maybe we can have a better rug. Maybe we can have an even cooler rug. You ever think about that? We just move those textures over. I'm seeing a lot of shards here. I'm seeing a lot of, I bet they're rose petals. That's my estimation of the situation. I like this. I like this sofa. Where is it? It's so sick. Right. Here it comes. Here it goes. Here we go. Here we come. What? Step 1 to lagging a PC. Just make sure to drag every asset you own into the scene all at once. For best results, over 1,000 assets, just to make sure your PC lags. But anything over 100 will do it. I think they're actually in the scene. It's because we don't have real time on. Oh no, I have made a huge mistake. Oh god. Pray for the PC. It's only 602 meshes. It should be fine. Easy peasy, right? Lemon squeezy, right? Reno! Hey! Hey. Oh! Oh? No? No? Hmm. Gotta start trying to wake the bear. Good luck, Reno. Oh, they're in. They're in. Interesting. Very interesting. So we're in. Everything has been done, placed and positioned. See, that looks pretty nice. First thing that we can do is go to the modeling mode and we can change the pivot to be the center of the bottom. It was successful. Congratulations. Now to wait 30 minutes again and try. You'll get there. Did it do? It's trying. It's a process. She needs to wake up in stages. Don't we all? Don't we all? Oh, oh. It's doing it slowly, but surely. Oh, so yeah, game development of game. Very fun, very rewarding. Oh, it happened. It worked. It was very fast, very quick. I like it. Let's just bring it into the sunlight so we can see it. Intags, you're back. I'm back. We're both back. We're both here. Welcome back. So I'm seeing some assets that we already have. This, I like it. This, we already have this. So made yourself some toast. See, I told you toast takes ages to make. I told you. What'd you put on the toast? What did you put on the toast? Took 2 minutes to make, 6 minutes to heat. Hang on. That's 8 minutes, man. That's a long time. Onion, mustard, ketchup, ham, and cheese. Tiny crackers that look like toast. I've had those before. They're good. Onion, mustard, ketchup, ham, and cheese. That sounds good, though. That sounds good. I was afraid of this. I'm getting rid of them. We're getting rid of every single one of them. You warm it in the toaster. It's toast. Put Cheerios in the toaster. It's toast. True. It's some kind of logic. It's only toast when it comes out, though. Put a fried egg in the toaster. Comes out toast. Toast. Toast is toast when the toaster has finished toasting the toast. Have you seen that episode of Tiswas? Where they do a skit and he doesn't use the letter P, but he does the Peter Piper picked a pack of pickled peppers tongue twister. I don't think that's it. Does that make the tortillas you heat up in your waffle iron waffles? Yes. Acid actions. Select actors using this acid. Pick up that can. They're the ones. Oop. Yeah, forced delete. I'm kecking so hard right now, bro. It's the third eye that did it. What is this? Hmm? 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 That's the fur, right? Okay, nanite, disable. So there may be times in text when you'll have to disable nanite. I pray for your GPU at those times. Like, it's a beautiful mesh. It really does give the physical impression of being mossy, grassy, mossy grass. But boy howdy, nanite does not appreciate it. Boy howdy, it not being nanite is not appreciated by any GPU or CPU. Something got wrong here. You don't worry about nanite. Nanite worries about me. Simple as that. True. What about the ant crest that we already have 1,000 of? Begot. No. Begone. Yes. Yes. We don't need any. We don't need either of those. Ah, poopy. That was attached to the mirror, huh? This is the room. 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 Fuck. This is the room where the developer making this game is gonna show off their baller skill. You love that song? God damn it. Show off their baller skill by having a... The hull is inverted. Intax TM, thank you for the follow. Welcome to the channel. Hope you enjoy it here. I'll add you to the over. Do you stream, by the way? You got a TM in your name. You play a lot of Trackmania. You streamed this couple of days. Like, evidently, I stream the Cup of the Days, so I don't have any time to watch anyone else who streams the Cup of the Days. But if you do, you're going to go now, the Toasted Tilting Toes. Stream sometimes. Everyone check out Intax out. Very professional Trackmania player. And also have a nice evening. I will also have a nice evening, even though I'll have to run in 40 or so minutes to get my chicken. It's going to be chicken. It's so going to be chicken. Oh, I don't have hand tracking. I was waving, I believe. SM. I don't know how I feel about having lamps in this game. Like, we have the candelabra in the other area, but it's made of mushrooms, man. You know, it's made of mushrooms. Oi, 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 I do not want the docs. I've read the docs 1,000 times. SM. I don't think this is really bedroom accoutrement. I think one of the straight sofas would be more bedroom, but it has the plushies arranged on it in a nice little arc. I wonder. It reminds me of the kind of sofa you get. The kind of sofa you get in a cocktail bar, you know? Like a bar where they serve exclusively cocktails and no beer. Now, which one of these are we going to save? 26,898, 26,898, 26,898, 26,898. They are all exactly the same, 26,898. We'll just delete the last 5. And this one is SM Plushy Ant. It's not global anymore? What's not global? Audible. Ha. Lamau. It's right there. I can see it. I can see it, Reno. It's a koala wearing golden earphones. It's good. Not show up on yours? That's a shame. Maybe my OBS is out of date and it's showing me stuff that have been taken away. A true shame. What's up with the bed? What's up with the bed? Don't make me look. What's up with the bed? Oh, it just hits the floor. The whole thing reaches the floor. That's very cheesy. Good cheese, bro. Good cheese. My nose. I just put a lamp down so I could see. It would appear that a lot of these meshes are balked. With the utmost of respect. That is 2 cushions welded together with inversed holes so you can see through them. Help. Help. Send help. What is this? So the lamp, I think, is fine. We don't need 2 lamp. Just 1 lamp. The lamp is fine, if not a little bit basic, you know? Looks a bit basic, you know what I'm saying? The chest of drawers is good, but we only need 1 of them. Now the big question is, did Dr. Bullet model a shelf on the inside of this, or is it just a cube? A cuba dubda. Looks like there's some intersecting geometry, so that's gonna suck. Split. Panic. There is a draw. Hello. Oh my god, yes. This is far more pog than I thought it was ever going to be. It even has little reinforcing struts at the bottom. Very cute. Adorable. Adorable. So this, browse to asset, we're going to save this. In fact, the last thing is a right-hand facing little greebliggeroo. That one. So if we select actors using this asset, there should only be... interesting. 8 selected. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. They're mixed in. Good to know. If I go to this view, and I Alt Shift my control, that is the reason. Do I like the MSI optics monitor? Yes, alright. The only thing I'll say is that if you're going to be using it for any kind of creative thing, it has awful color grading. So if you want a professional monitor for doing design work, I can't recommend it. It is for FPS enthusiasts, people who stay up real late, people who don't care about their color gamuts being out of spec all the time, people who want high refresh rate 2K monitor. I mean, I like it for that. What do you recommend for good color gamut? No idea. I don't have a good one. So the MSI AG Optics 32CQ says on the sticker 85%, but at the same time, it is... These are the ones that I wanted, yeah. Please expand. It's hard to find a good multi-purpose monitor in that price range. I know. I got this one on offer as well, so it was double cheap. Not bad monitors, but you know what I mean. The AOC has the same issue. Yeah. It's not really something I care about, so I was pretty happy with it. I don't really do anything creative with it, so. Mesh merge. New object, combined SM chest drawer. From input, delete inputs, accepto. Let's not do anything crazy here. Hold on. Oh my goodness. I thought it was a crazy glitch, but turns out it wasn't so crazy, huh? There it is. Mesh merge. I don't know why that felt so stressful. It wasn't even that hard. Hmm. I think that's this. Yeah. Fix up. Select. Ah, there it is. Ah. No. SM. Bed. Billows. Fix. So we got some wacky normals going on, which is fine. Air quotes fine. Air quotes fine. Not fine. Dealable with. Lovely. What is this? These are the chest pieces arranged as if they were some kind of chest. I understand. Oh no. There is actually just a hole in that mesh. Okay. Alright, okay. Very good. Very poggers, as they say. Oh. Very poggers indeed. A poggly woggly. Do we have more meshes to import? My question to you. I think I may have more meshes to download, but I'm not entirely sure we have any more meshes to import. Trash and nursery. I meant to close that folder. Chicken. 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 Is it? Why is it sad though, Reno? Why is it crying? Is it because it hatched a chicken and not a raptor? I mean, a chicken is a raptor, but velociraptor. Can you imagine how disappointed everyone in the situation would be? You hatch, like you're there, you're an egg, and you're like, oh, this is going to be so poggers, velociraptor life. And you hatch, and you go, bark, and then your velociraptor parents are just like, it's okay, well, it's okay. We will raise him as our own. And then you're like, bark. You're actually a chicken. Oh, man. I would demand a refund. I was promised the velociraptor ball life. Let's just take that out of the pocket. There are actual trash bins. That's a lot of stuff. That's a lot to take in all at once. Wow. Once again. Don't need that asset. We have 100 of those already, thank you. The rest of it, I will take. Orange fungus, what is that? Dr. Blunt, if you're still in chat, could you please explain to us what the orange fungus is? If you are not in chat, we'll talk about it later. Did I spell nursery wrong? Better change that before I put any files in there. Seems self-explanatory. Well, it's fungus that's gone orange. So, we need to make some assets, some blendable, extensible, mini mega assets for nursery. Nursery. No. 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 I have faith. That's what the sign in sheets at church you work for said. Damn. Nursery. You come to the nursery, nursery son. You sure he didn't say nunnery signing? I'm kidding. I'm kidding. I'm kidding. I'm kidding. It's a funny joke. But I think we bring these in, we clean them up. I have track menu open still, do I? Damn it. Lime green. That could be a nice. Could that be a follower emote? Do you think, Reno, that's a good idea for a follower emote? The pink car, and it says lime pink. Lime pink. I can't think of a relatable noun for pink. Anyone in chat? Hot pink? Pink berry? It's a really weird pink color as well. It's not like fuchsia. It's like there's less blue in it. Not gonna lie, it seems every action in Unreal Engine 5 requires loading. Yeah. That is undeniably, categorically, physically true. I'm the poster child for Unreal Engine 5. The only real skill you need is the patience of Buddha himself. And a PC, giant PC. Massive PC. We're importing a lot of data. I don't know what to tell you. This game's gonna be 100 gigabyte download. No lie. Mega scans. Mega ass. Giant arena. Giant enemy crab. You can attack the weak point for massive damage. Should we put a giant crab on the beach? Maybe we can have multiple giant crabs on the beach. Maybe. Crab, please. Now hold on, don't. Got him. Get snipped, lime green. That's right. I just steal people's emotes now. That's how I roll. You understand I'm not actually going to use the lime green emote on my channel. I will be using a different, legally distinct, custom pink with definitely a screenshot of the car sport. Am I allowed to definitely use a definite screenshot of the definite car sport? Will I get sued by Nadeo? Who knows? I'm just kidding. It will be a licensed artistic impression of the car sport. And the artist it will be licensed from will be me. It's just a reference. That's what they all say. I'm gonna go ask Stable Diffusion to draw me the Trackmania car sport in pink with famous VTuber Manadono on the back at an oblique angle towards the camera with the text Mana Pink above it in a square image format. Stable Diffusion is gonna look at me like, I'll give you a blue haired anime girl, and that's the limit. And then I will run away crying because I have no skills in my fingies. Can you even believe how well Snacks can draw? Can you even? Holy potatoes. Holy bananas. Did you see that? You cannot, I cannot. Holy, it was so clean as well. The lines, the fucking lines. That's me. The fucking this is so this. Make it big. It's so clean. It's so clean. I can't deal with it. It's nuts. I mean, look at this. You look at this horrible, disgusting mess of a typography, and then it's a different style, but there's levels apart, Reno. I'm still quite proud of this. And this. You feel it. You feel it too, right? It's a Metal Gear Solid meme, sorry. Metal Gear Solid 5, the Phantom Pain meme. Where, in a helicopter ride, Kazuhiro Miller leans over to Venom Snake and says, You feel it too, don't you? Your comrade's pain in your arm. And it gets weird. You only posted derpy cartoony stuff? I should be proud. No way, Reno. I just do smelly text. Who would be proud of smelly text? And it takes so long to do as well. Mug. Is this a mug moment? There are going to be so few people out there that even get that reference. Certified mug moment. Robbie Fontana live. Certified mug moment. You follow. Nursery. Office chair? Hang on. Unreal, no. Unreal, respond. Thank you. So we don't need any of those. I don't know what they are. We'll need one of those. We'll need one of those. One of those. Oh, there's the office chair, great. I feel like I've imported all this stuff before. In fact, we don't need any of those because we already have. Stationery. They got stationery. I love it. What does that say? What does that say? Hello? That looked like text. Nurse station. Hello, nurse station. Whap, whap, whap. Very happy. Right. I suppose it's time we started winding down for the evening. Because I have to go out to the shop to get my dindins. Nurse station intensifies. So I'm gonna. We've basically done most of it. There's a couple of things that we need to do further yet. That's tomorrow. There's always tomorrow, friends. Don't worry. Yeah, this week's been a bit low energy, hasn't it? I'll try and rectify that next week, but no promises, yeah? Is that even... That is... That's dangerous. PlayStation 2, yeah. Give it some ballast on that front Lego. That's better. That's better. So, let's recap. Let's just recap the very important message, okay? That we need to internalize it within ourselves, okay? Placing static meshes in the world is a sin and should be avoided at all costs. When you want to put a static mesh in your level, consider instancing that mesh instead. Instanced draw calls to the GPU are always faster than non-instanced draw calls to the GPU, which means that any method of instancing a mesh when you're putting more than one of the static mesh down is going to be more performant than not instancing that mesh. Automatic batched rendering from Unreal Engine 5 is hot garbage, does not work, do not rely on it. But you can use the internal engine manual batching process for the fastest, best instancing of static meshes in your level. Internalize that statement. I know it was a bit of a mouthful. And then you have 1,000 instant messages in the CPU single thread edge. Exactly. 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 GPU doesn't give a fuck. But the CPU, my friends, will struggle. So yeah, there's a couple of things in the bedroom that we need to sort out. The pillows, this mirror frame, the sheets, and the back drapery. Everything else is pretty much okay. You know, we need to do some beautiful globulatization of the stuff. About using a different sofa in this room, maybe. Or maybe like a, I don't know, more regal version of this kind of a sofa. I don't know. But that's mostly it for the importing of the meshes. So let's find someone called a raid. As always, if you have a suggestion of someone called a raid, I'm always down to have people suggested to me. But I think we're probably gonna raid. Mr. Irish John Games. Everyone knows Mr. Irish John Games. Everyone understands that Mr. Irish John Games is a good time. So let me do the talk out real quick, and then I'll whap over the screen and we'll do the raid. Thank you, everyone, for coming and watching the live video. If you came and watched the live video, thank you. Scrolling. Denias for the follow yesterday. Thank you. Clayman Dev for the raid yesterday. Thank you. Starry Night for the 9 bits yesterday. Thank you. Attack on Snacks for 300 bits today. Thank you, Embers, for the 2 gifted subs yesterday and the personal 1 sub for yourself today. Thank you, IntaxTM, for the follow today. That was a bit of a weird shout out. That was always a weird shout out. Hope you both enjoy it here. Welcome you all to the channel. I welcome all of your subscriptions and your follows and your attention and your watches and your views. Check out the VODs on YouTube if you want to catch up on the backlog, etc., etc. If you're actually watching this video, you're probably already watching the backlog on YouTube, and there's a lot of it. I'm very sorry. But that is it. Thank you for coming to watch the backlog on YouTube if you came to watch the video on demand. And as always, I will see you in the next episode.